Hey, welcome back, everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, is Paul Martin here, and here we are. It's Christmas Eve. So, different kind of episode today, really, is made because certain things going on in my head right now as well, is that it's finding the work-life balance, especially this time of year when you think back to maybe last Christmas or the year that we've had, and everyone's been touched by so much craziness and madness this year, and some people we're sadly not here to celebrate Christmas with us. And I think it's important to really take a moment and embrace what you do have and be grateful and thankful for what's available and what you've got in front of you there. So it's kind of like a really short one. I do wish you and yours Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you want to call it, and all that sort of good stuff. But just remember to focus on what's important in life to you, and I will catch up with you again tomorrow.